Fair autumn, yellow-robed, I'll sing of thee, of thy last tempered days and sunny calms, when all the golden hours are on the wing. But see the fading, many-coloured woods, shade deepening over shade, the country round in brown, a crowded umbrage, dusk and dun, of every hue from one declining green to sooty dark. These now, the lonesome muse, low whispering, lead into their leaf-strewn walks, and give the season in its latest view. Thus solitary and in pensive guise, oft let me wander o'er the russet mead, and through the saddened grove where scarce is heard one dying strain to cheer the woodman's toil. Meantime the grandeur of thy lofty dome, far splendid, seizes on the ravished eye. New beauties rise with each revolving day, and there, light shadowing all, a sober calm fleeces unbounded the air, whose least wave stands tremulous, uncertain where to turn the gentle current, while, illumined wide, the dewy-skirted clouds imbibe the sun, and through their lucid veil his softened force shed o'er the peaceful world. Then is the time for those whom wisdom and whom nature charm to steal themselves from the degenerate crowd, and soar above this little scene of things, to tread low-thoughted vice beneath their feet, to soothe the throbbing passions into peace, and woo lone quiet in her silent walks.